you doing over here?
Well,
Grind. This is too new for this place. What's going on?
Yeah, this is the mayor of our town's daughter's car. She messed up a little bit the side of the car. I'm fixing it up. There's a couple of dents here. I'm grinding it so
yeah, I see that. You got some scrapes on the back door. You got some scrapes on the front.
I took the door handle out. Well, it was all scraped.
You got to take that off because when you're painting, it's got to come out professional.
Right.
Not like some of these places. So what's next?
Well, after I grind it, I'm gonna put some studs. Now, don't forget, it has to be this round circle or bigger.
Why?
Well, this is the ground. This is where
it's got a ground,
right? Right.
So
let's do it.
Make it happen.
Do it.
If you come down here, if you move it back and forth, you can see how the whole body, the reflection moves back and forth. Can you see that?
And this hard line right here.
Yeah, that's all dented.
It's all dented, and this is sticking out, and it hit the inside of the door. That's what this hard line is. See?
Oh, that's what we got to get out. This lady comes over here today, right? This Italian lady comes over here today, right? Got a bun over here, a mole over here, a piece of garlic over here. You know what she says to me today? You know what she says to me? You know. How's it looking, Giuseppe?
Pretty good. I'm just unmasking it. It's good.
All set?
Yeah, I'm gonna wet sand it today.
Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Alright, sounds good. Now get it ready for paint, and then what?
Get it ready for paint. You got a base coat, clear coat, you know the whole 9 yards.
La, la, la. Imagine we painted cars like that.